All right, if you have a son or daughter who is a gamer and always looking for a way to like level up their game, my son wanted this mouse grip tape for his Logitech G Pro wireless mouse to help him with grip stability and his sweaty little hands when he's gaming. Let's talk about what he thinks after a month of use. Doesn't mess with the scrolling. Pieces are laser cut so they fit perfectly. And he said that it helps him with, like, it wicks the moisture off of his hands so his hands don't get sweaty. It has 7 different pieces. I don't think he put them all on here because I only see 4. 3 color options. This is like the print pattern one. It is made for the Logitech G Pro Wireless and the Pro 2 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. It is non-slip, which obviously helps him to just kind of hold on to it. It did come with little cleaning wipes that you just like clean the mouse and then slap them on there. And it is kind of feels like a little bit cushioned PVC material, which is supposed to be residue free. I couldn't speak to that because he hasn't taken it off. Loves this thing. He raves about it. He likes the way that it looks. He says that his hands aren't sweaty anymore. He said he used to, like, you know, his hand would kind of slip sometimes on the mouse, but it doesn't now. I mean, this kid is obsessed with gaming, hence this outrageously expensive mouse. So of course, like, why not buy it an outfit? That makes sense. If you're a parent with a gamer kid who has this mouse, grab this mouse tape. For $14, it's a really nice way to level up this mouse, which was already pretty expensive. Plus, you get to score some cool points with your kid. All right, that's a wrap. See you smart cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.